G'day lads, welcome back to the channel. Well, we had such good luck yesterday with random booster packs, so we're going to give it another bell. Today we're on the hunt for Big Fat Pikachu or the VMAX Lapras. See what we can get. I'm just going to speed through this shit. This will just be a quickie. White code. Lovely. Oh, Matang, I used to love that. Oh, you're kidding. What the fuck? This has happened 2 days in a row now. I've pulled absolute goodness on the first pack. I haven't even got my sleeves out. What am I doing? I don't know what kind of luck I'm having with these singles. But it's unreal. Quickly put that bastard in a sleeve. Where did I throw the hollow there? Sorry, not hollow, reverse hollow. Alrighty, far out. How good is that? I will hard sleeve these later. Just speed through these for now and we'll do that at the end. Green code, that sounds about right after that pull. Nothing great. Sleeve, go through this as quick as we can. Oh, if I can even open it. Fuck, come back to that one. Whoops. Fucking good job. Oh, lucky it's green code. Nothing good. Get that good one out. Alright, try this basket again. Go to the other end, eh? Come on, give us something good. Another green code. Fuck. Get licked. Alright, Dewott, Opel, Matang, Wooper, Meowth, Cottony, Aracuda, Nicotan, Colopus, Frinu. Get rid of this one. Alright, now, we got one good pull from that. We got 3 Sword and Shield. Let's hope for that big giant Lapras. I'm getting the wickedest first. Oh, another white code. Good sign. I should probably pile these up in a different section. What have we got? It looks like a V card. Oh, I haven't got him before. Pukoto. Nice. Alrighty. Well, 2 more to go. Fuck, they go through quick when you do them like this. Green. Shit. I was supposed to be putting them in a different pile. I forgot. Crap. Not crap. There's probably a secret rare in there. I'll find it later. Surely. Oh, I couldn't end it off on a white code. Wankers. Alright. Slow it down for you. Bishop, Pokemon Center, Haunter, Shelter, Mawao, Ponyta, Sobble, Maracactus, or whatever. Koopa Raja, rightio. Stonejourner. Oh well. One good pull, 7 packs. I assume you made our money back. I'll find out and I'll tell yous. Bloody oath. Well, if you enjoy it, like, subscribe, we'll keep doing it. Cheers lads, have a good one. So I've just looked over the centering and I've got to say I'm pretty damn disappointed. Look at that. It starts off right at the top and then it just tapers off to shit. I just sped through that so fast I forgot to even give you the codes. Here they are. Someone will probably get them all, but I will. Cheers lads.